All right, here we have a 2007 Chevrolet C5500 here, bucket truck. Gonna play with the bucket a little bit today, just show you how it operates. Quick little walk around. It's got the got a 6.6 liter Duramax Diesel engine, Allison Automatic transmission. I'll have to check the VIN to see exactly which Duramax it is. But it's an 07. Could either be, could be several of them actually. Just depends. They did a lot of different things with these 5500s, but 121,000 miles on it. I've got it running. PTO's already engaged. Pretty good tires on it. I've already got the outriggers down. You know, basic work truck. It still needs cleaned up a little bit, but you know, no fancy power locks or windows in it. Like I said, boxes are all going to be dirty, but I just show you they're not rotting out. It's not. So yeah. Instead of as much fun as it is to get up into the bucket itself, I'll be controlling from the lower towers, or from the base of the tower there. Your outrigger controls are back here. All you have to do to switch from outrigger controls to your tower is this push-pull. As you can see, pull it out for the tower, push to operate the outriggers. Quick view of these boxes here. Like I said, they're all dirty, need cleaned, but this one's plumb full. Pop in the cab real quick. Turn the volume down. Like I said, still needs to go through service. You have to have the brake set in order to operate it. Like I said, PTO's been engaged. Got it on right there. There's your control panel. 121,000 miles. All right, we'll go play with the bucket now. Just show you that it operates. The tires. Okay, so here's your control tower. I'm going to start off here, kind of looking through the camera. This is going to raise the upper boom, rotate. This is going to extend or retract. This is going to work the lower boom. And this is actually how you tilt the bucket if you need to. So I'm going to go ahead, raise this bad boy up here. That's good enough. Next, we'll go ahead and raise the lower arm here. That's probably good enough. Next, you're going to extend that boom right there. That's probably good enough, just so you can see. So, obviously, you know, everything works. So, you know what, I'll rotate a little bit. Rotate as well. Which way do I want to go? It doesn't matter. Rotate it. It's coming towards me. Show you that it's rotating there. Woo! A little fast that time. Still rotating back the other way. All right, that's probably good enough. All right, just line her back up, be good to go. There she is. Very nice little bucket truck here. Come check her out.